Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about Bimbo, the not-so-dumb blonde. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, that has all 10 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series for sale. Yesterday, the world's largest and most successful bakery, Mexico-based Bimbo, announced first quarter sales for 2021 reaching almost $4 billion, marking Bimbo's best financial quarter in history in terms of sales, profits, and margins, following 2020's remarkable year. Obviously, during the pandemic, folks simply can't get enough of baked goods and snacks. When I first arrived in San Miguel de Allende a decade ago and volunteer-taught Spanish, I was surprised at the popularity of a product called Bimbo. As I explained to my students in English, Bimbo was slang for a sexy and unintelligent woman. They immediately queried what the male equivalent was, to which I replied, himbo. They laughed, marking the first time I ever did a wordplay joke in a second language class, as you have to be a bit advanced to get the humor. They were, and they did. All joking aside, why did anyone name a company after the butt of way too many dumb blonde jokes? Started in 1945, Bimbo was coined for a combination of the church game Bingo with the then popular Disney movie Bambi. Bimbo narrowly beat out the runner-up name Pan Azteca, which ended up being fortunate. With international expansion, the name worked in the company's favor, as in Italy, Bimbo is slang for little boy, and the word bambino. In China, the phoneme for the bread is similar to the word bimbo. However, like the poorly monikered 1960s car Nova, or No-Go in Spanish, Bimbo didn't travel well to the north. As in the early 2000s, the company bought up Sara Lee, Stroman's, Hostess, Arnold, and other bakeries. U.S. consumers found the name Bimbo off-putting, just like I did in Mexico. When it became obvious to any consumer here, the company controlled 95% of Mexico's baked goods market. Bimbo's executive management didn't want to change the name, as by then, and the adorable Bimbo Bear were known world over as the chain expanded across the globe. So instead, they launched in the U.S. an intensive advertising campaign for years, stressing how Bimbo is pronounced Bimbo. Oddly enough, it worked. The Bimbo Bear comes with its own delicious history. During the 40s, one founder of the company mailed another a Christmas card featuring a white bear. The recipient used the bear as the basis for the company's logo. Little changed over the decades, with the Bimbo Bear representing softness, cleanliness, beauty, and fun. All the things one wants in a baked good. Today, Bimbo Bear brings all baked goods American love, from Sara Lee to Bobole to Entenmann's to $16 billion marketplace. I only wish I had bought stocks in the company a decade ago, which is still listed in the Mexican Stock Exchange as, of course, Bimbo. To the right, you can see all the different companies Bimbo owns. In my thoroughly unscientific straw poll, I asked folks what their favorite Bimbo products were, as both children and adults. I was surprised to learn how many still don't buy Bimbo products since we have so many good bakeries here in town. Others adore the chocolate-covered snack cake filled with strawberry jam and cream, launched in 1958, called Cancito. In second place are the black and white cupcakes called Penguinos, or penguins, or slang for nuns. What child doesn't want to eat their teacher for lunch? Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about Bimbo, the not-so-dumb blonde. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites. As always, click the subscribe now button below and you'll get automatic notifications of new films as they premiere here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.